Africa Content TV.
Good afternoon, Alaji.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you, sir. How are you doing today? How have you been?
I'm cool, are you?
I'm very well, sir.
I'm doing fine. Alhamdulillah. As you can see,
I can see.
I'm fine, I'm cool.
Alhamdulillah. Just a quick one regarding the rumors flying around about your health and that you were hospitalized, you slumped a lot. No, you just need to tell your fans that you're fine, Alaji, because you just finished eating amala. Please tell them.
Are you not the one who amala for me?
I know, but you need to tell them.
Okay. I would like to assure my fan and my loved one that I'm okay, I'm alright, I'm doing good.
You're in good health.
Right now I'm in UK. Very soon I will be in Umrah for Ramadan prayer.
Okay. Alaji, just a word of advice for your fans, please.
Actually, I don't have anything, something to say. Just to let them know that this stop spread fake news. Come on, my son, got you, come on, man.
And stop creating unnecessary unrest.
Yeah.
I agree with you, Alaji.
I'm going to do it. I want to kill me. Don't pay me. As you can see, Baba came on the Baba no good.
Unless Baba Baba.